if you've stumbled upon the annoying message saying your request could not be completed at this time when trying to access your Apple ID. Don't worry, today I'll guide you through some quick and easy fixes for this issue in 2024. Let's get started. This error can pop up for several reasons, including server issues, incorrect account details, or problem with the internet connections. Let's tackle this one by one. First, let's check if there's an issue with Apple server. Open your web browser and go to Apple System Status page. Here, look for any red dots next to Apple ID services. If there's an issue, you might just need to wait until it's resolved. Next up, let's ensure your internet connection is stable. Try loading a website or streaming a video. If your connection is weak, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Sometimes a simple restart can do wonders. Press and hold the power button on your device, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, then turn your device back on. Outdated software can also lead to issues. Let's make sure your device is up to date. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on General and tap on Software Update and install any available updates. If none of these steps work, it might be time to reach out to Apple support. And there you have it. I hope these tips help you resolve the "your request could not be completed at this time" error. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.